Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So on the 5th of December, Google rolled out Chrome version 120, which is the latest release. And on the 6th, which was late yesterday in my region, they have already rolled out the first point release update for version 120, which is a non-security bug fix update. And this is the first time in recent memory that Google has been so quick to roll out a bug fix update after they have introduced a major version upgrade. So clearly there are a couple of issues since version 120 was released a day or so ago on the 5th of December. Now, as always, to double check we have the update, as many of you will know, we head to our main menu, Help, about Google Chrome. And if you're not seeing the update just yet, which I'm sure you will, because these point release updates do roll out sooner than later, Google says if you're not seeing it, it will roll out over the next coming days. And after the update has been applied, version and build has been upgraded to 120.0.6099.71. So we're dealing with the first point release for a version 120, which is exactly the same for Mac, Linux, and Windows. So if you've seen 0.71 on version 120, your browser will be patched with all the most recent updates for Google Chrome. Now, unfortunately, once again, the official release notes don't indicate exactly what bugs have been addressed. We do know it's a non-security update addressing various bugs in Chrome. And I have had a look in the Chromium log, and there are references to different bugs that have been fixed. So if you have experienced any problems since upgrading to version 120 over the last day or so, then just double check you have this update sooner than later, because it is possible that those issues could be addressed. I haven't experienced any issues. I have had a good look around the browser after the version 120 did roll out. I'm not experiencing any issues at this stage. And after this point release update has been rolled out, 0.71, I have had a quick look around the browser. I'm not noticing any new tweaks or adjustments or any little features that have rolled out. But obviously, if that does change and I do notice something, I'll post and let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.